To make a call on your Garmin Venu, all you have to do is to press the upper button, reach app, and phone. From here you can dial the number you want to call, or you can select the contact you want to call. If you want to add contact, this will happen on the Garmin Connect app, this one. You will need to go on More and select Contact right here. You can create a contact over here, or if you go on Phone, you can sync it with your phone. You can have up to 50 contact, and it may take a few minutes to synchronize to your watch. Then, if you want to make a call from a contact, you just need to select it and call it. It will ring in few seconds. There we are. Now I can lower the volume. You can mute your voice. You can go back here. So you have a couple of options while you are inside. This one will go back out of the call, but you'll still be in the call. And finally, if you want to hang up, well, you just press over here and the call is ended. So this is how you make a call with a Garmin Venu.